Today, I got some samples of Charlotte Tilbury's foundation, and that is what I'm going to put on after I take you on a quick trip into the mall. And I just wanted to let you know that Natalie the Beauty Diva is uploading this morning too. So run over there and check out her video. Have fun and enjoy. Oh my gosh, I haven't been in the mall in so long, and this mall is gorgeous, and everything is sparkling and screaming my name. This is the little one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Everything is beautiful. Oh no, I can't. No, not going through there. There we go. Oh no, she will. Let me get out of here. Oh, sample. Oh, I think I'll take a sample of Charlotte Tilbury's. Beautiful. Now to find my car. Oh, wasn't that fun in the mall? Oh my goodness. I need blinders. I need side blinders. Ooh. It's been so long since I've been in the mall, and this one is so beautiful right by my house. I've just put this on, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Hydrating Balm Stick. It's very cute. Just straighten my hair, and I just cut long bangs. I'll show you. Just cut like over here, and very, 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 very easy to cut long bangs. All you do is you take the front that you want to be bangs and you pull it up and back, a little back, but mostly straight up and just back and cut across. That's it. It comes out feathered and perfect. So I put this here just to give me a little boop. Oh, and I went into Sephora and I got my birthday gift. Today's my birthday, and you're going to see this on Wednesday, the 22nd. I got a TATCHA moisturizer and a rice wash. Oh, just what I needed. I need a wash. I'm just running out. And then this is a dewy skin cream. I think I'll put that on. Oh, it's kind of dewy. Wow, it's kind of like Vaseline-y, but very nice. I don't really smell anything, but this is one of the Sephora birthday gifts this year. So if it's your birthday month, just go into Sephora and ask for your birthday gift, and you'll get it. You don't have to make a purchase. Okay, so I did pick up the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, the samples, the moisturizers, and I got a foundation. So let me put my sunscreen on. There you go. And no matter how much oil, grease, moisturizer you have, this stuff goes right where you want it. It's just sticks. It sticks right on your face. I love this stuff. So I'm putting on 24/7 from Jaclyn Hill. This one. And I always say, try every color. You think it's one, and then it goes on, it's a different color. So this, I would think, is a shimmer. But it's not. It's more like a taupey brown. These rollers are so big. We use the Bright Side by Milani, the primer. We just want to see, ooh. We just hope it doesn't make your makeup pill. That's all I care about. I never wear primer, but I bought this because I thought it would look so cute. And it gives you more a glow. Sometimes I wear it when I have no makeup on. I put this NYX bronze down here. This is just an old Ardell eyeshadow palette. It's called, oh no, it's a brow defining kit. Okay, you could take an eyeshadow or brow product and put it on your lashes. Actually, you could take any color. Now, instead of doing a face powder, I would do one of these, like a brow product. And then we're going to put the mascara on. And then we'll do that again. This is the TikTok way. When I was in my 20s, I always wore fake eyelashes. I mean, not even foundation, just fake eyelashes. And I liked it to be thick. If I could have used a piece of black tape as eyelashes, I would have. I just liked it thick. I'll show you what my kids just brought over Valentine's for me. So cute. There's a picture. I got wine, I got jewelry, I've got flowers, candy. Oh, they're so good. They're so cute, my kids. My kitties. They're big kitties now. They're 50, let's see, they'll be 52 and 53 in another month or so. All right, that's good for now. Let's put on the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Let's see, I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown brush. I'll use this. This looks like it's a little darker than the other one. Oh, I did get a lot. So, I'm going to my daughter's tonight, well, today at 4 o'clock. It's my granddaughter's birthday today. She's 16 and we're celebrating together. It's so cute. She doesn't mind. I hate it. I want to give her all the attention, but they won't leave me out. She's such a doll. Oh, what a doll. What a doll. So creative. She cuts everyone's hair. She draws. She's a little artist. Oh, and she's a soccer star. I'm going to use my Miracle Touch by Max Factor as concealer under your eyes. It's got hyaluronic acid. It's got SPF. So, let's see. Remember when I showed you that pitcher, the lemonade pitcher? So cute, right? And you could infuse lemons in there and limes and everything. Well, I didn't tell you that you could use boiling hot water from the stove. You could boil the water and pour it right in there. It doesn't have to be cold. And what else did I want to correct? Let's see. Oh, you know, Hey Siri on the phone. You don't have to lift it up to say G-Y-S-I-R-I. It could just be laying down, and you could just say, Hey Siri. And you tell, I have an Australian fellow that answers, and you just tell him you want a timer. Okay. Hey Siri. Timer, 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. You don't have to say thank you, but I do it out of habit. He doesn't hear the thank you. Oh, and then also, you know the Barbicide jar I have with the blue liquid? Well, I told you you could keep your stuff in there for 10 minutes. That's the directions. It says you can keep it for 10 minutes. Well, you could keep that blue water in as long as you want, and you can keep your clips and brushes in there as long as you want too. They don't dissolve. They don't rust. It's great. I did a video on it. I'll put the link. Oop, thank you. That's the timer. You see, that timer gets me. Okay. This is Matte Caramel Cream by LA Colors. Out there. Out there. Oh, at the end of this video, I'm going to pick the winner for the Lids by Design. So stay tuned. You all seem to love that. It's just a great product. A great, great product. I'm so glad my girlfriend Kathy told me about it. This is black lip liner by, what's the name? Givenchy. Givenchy. It's a transparent black. They sent this to me a few years ago. It's just amazing. It really. You would never think to put that on your lips, but it works. It works. Okay, so I have this NYX, the brow glue. All right, so I just wiped my brows, and I'm going to put this on. I'm going to push these up in the front, and then the rest down, and then the back up. So I'm going to do that over here too. This is pretty good stuff. I like it. All right, while that is drying, I'm going to put my selfie powder. Put it on one side and show you. You see? See how it evens everything out? It does. It's very good. Very good, girls. This is a good one. Now I'm going to take Too Faced Bulletproof Brows in Universal Taupe. Universal Taupe. Now, if you want your eyebrows to look higher, the one trick, the Marilyn Monroe trick, is just to raise it up here. It makes the whole eyebrow lift. It's amazing. You see the difference? Oh, I gotta get the other side. Just like it. I'm gonna put Laura Geller Color Luster Lip Gloss. And I am on this search for another long-lasting lip gloss. I told you I have 3. Now I'm looking for a 4th. Because any day now, any day, they could discontinue. I need this to pop a little more. Let's Let's take the hair down. Now, I'm gonna freeze them. Let's do this spray. So this morning I put tight neck on my neck, and it tightens up for the moment, but I'm trying that for about 2 weeks, and then I'm moving on to I'm going to do preparation H for 2 weeks, and then Raquel Pouget suggested in the last comments, the last video's comments, Filarina. So I'm checking that out. That's the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to go visit Nathalie and see what her video is about today. And I'm going to put the winner of the Lids by Design as soon as I sign off at the end of this video. And congratulations to whoever it may be. So I'll see you soon. Have a great week, a great day, and remember, I love you. Mwah. And the winner is... Congratulations, Jean Marie Jones. Just email me at theocarolshow@yahoo.com, and I'll get your address and send you the Lids by Design. Congratulations, Jean.